In this video, we will learn how to remove section breaks in Microsoft Word. Hello, my name is Mark, and you're watching the Office Master tutorial. Office Master is here to help you learn how to use Microsoft Office in a quick and simple step-by-step tutorials. Section breaks are most commonly used to divide and format documents of all sizes. For example, you can break down sections into chapters and add formatting such as columns, headers, and footers, and page borders to each. You can remove a single section break or multiple section breaks in Microsoft Word in multiple ways. Since section breaks can be tricky to delete, you may have to select and delete them in a different view. Be careful when deleting section breaks, as each section can have unique margins, headers, and footers, and page orientation, so deleting a section break could change all of those settings. Section page breaks are hidden by default. In order to delete section breaks, you'll need to display the formatting marks. Navigate to the Home tab. In the Paragraph group, click on the Show Hide option. The section breaks in the document are marked with the entry Section Break, with the type of the break in parentheses. Place the cursor before the section break and press Delete, or drag over it. Then press Backspace or Delete to delete the break. When you delete a section break, Word combines the text before and after the break into one section. The new combined section will use the formatting from the section that followed the section break. Now, if you have difficulty deleting a section break, navigate to the View tab in the ribbon. In the Views group, select the Draft option. Select the break by dragging over it, and then press Delete. Return to the Print Layout view by clicking the View tab again and clicking Print Layout in the Views group. To remove multiple, or all, section breaks, you can use the Find and Replace tool. Navigate to the Home tab in the ribbon. In the Editing group, click Replace or press Ctrl+H keys. In the Find and Replace dialog box that appears, click the More button to expand the dialog box. Click in the Find What box. Under Replace, select the Special button at the bottom of the dialog box and choose the Section Break option in the drop-down menu. The character circumflex B will appear. Now click in the Replace With box. Ensure there is nothing in the Replace With box by pressing Delete. Click the Find Next button and click Replace. After that, repeat the process to move on to the next section break. If you want to delete all section breaks, click Replace All. If you found this tutorial helpful, reward us with a like. Is this your first time on our YouTube channel? We would be more than grateful to welcome you to our community, so hit the subscribe button to enjoy more of our videos and learn how to master Word. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.